Welcome. I'm Jim Lowe, and I'm a faculty member here at the University of Illinois College of Veterinary Medicine. I'm going to be leading this course for you, and we really hope throughout this course you can start to learn how I've thought about managing health in large production operations over the last 20 years. Now, I've spent a fair amount of time working in the U.S. pig industry and in the U.S. feedlot industry, and a significant amount of time working globally as we've expanded intensive animal production. We're going to use a lot of pig examples and cow examples in this course, but our goal in this course is to equip you to understand the interactions between the animals, the pathogens, and the environment, which includes the people, that really drive system health. We're going to try to do that in a very systematic manner. And I'm going to try to walk you through how we can intervene in livestock production systems to minimize the economic impact of disease. So we're going to have a lot of economic focus in this, and we're going to use a very systematic approach to try to drive your thought process so you can start to be, can I apply things I did here, I learned in this course, immediately to the farms that I work with. Now, to that end, we're going to have you write a health plan for a farm that you work with. You're going to need access to the farm operations and their data and the employees so you can collect the information that's going to drive this health plan. We really believe it's important that you can apply and synthesize and summarize what you've learned to something that you can take home and use tomorrow. And that's really what we think is going to be important for you. So to that end, we're going to ask you to write this health plan up in a very professional format. Doesn't have to be long, but we want to prove to yourself that you can synthesize information so that other people can use it and implement that information. Now, I'm going to ask you, if you want to, you can present this to the decision makers on that farm, or at least for yourself, it's available that you'll have and you've practiced by the time you leave here so you can go do this on another farm the next day. So there's a lot of additional information available on the course site. I'm going to ask you to read that very carefully, and we'll continue to give you information throughout the course as you feed this program. It's a weekly process. I'm going to ask you to build this each week. There's significant time built into the curriculum so that you can build this, but it's interactive, and we expect you to ask questions and pull that together. But the foundations of what we expect are right there on the course site, and so please work through that. We're really looking forward to this course, and we hope you enjoy learning through this course as much as we've enjoyed putting it together. Thanks.